Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior with a tan and black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Then come around to the back of the vehicle, and we have our GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. This vehicle does have third row seats, which of course can fold down. You need a little extra storage, and just push button to close the trunk there. Taking a look at the rear seats here, and you can see that tan and black two-tone interior. Rear seats. And push button to fold down for easy access to the third row. And easily fold up. Do have rear climate control, and quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at the sunroof for both front and rear, and we'll take a look at the driver's side next. So we do have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as memory seats for both driver and passenger. So you can see the power seat controls here, power door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And you can see mileage is currently at 53,457. And we do have a push button ignition. So while the display is loading there, show you a climate control here. There's the heated and ventilated seat options there. Cup holder and a cigarette lighter there. Display currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. And to control the display there, you've got your command module here, the dial, or the touch there to swipe and then push down to select. And last but not least, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos of this GLS 450 or getting additional information about this vehicle or any of the others on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.